Today we will see that how to convert our app into a website, a full-fledged website. For now we have a website that is this to-do app, and this also works when it is offline because we had used service worker here. Let me make it offline and let's reload. It's still working, and this is the app, and you can also get the source code in description. It's open source app. Okay, and you can rearrange as per your priority. It's not rearranging, and you can also delete things from here. And this is the app we are going to convert into a and this is the website we are going to convert into an app. So let's copy the URL, and this is the first website called Median, and make an account here and then do that to save your progress. Let me rename it to daily, and this is the app preview will look like this. Start building my app. And this is another website that is called Kodular, and these things doesn't have limit of setting the app, just like some platforms that like web into native, I don't remember the name, and they used to keep it free, and after 1 month the app stops working and asks for a premium subscription. So these are not that kind of websites. And you can also use MIT App Inventor by mit.edu. This is the best college for engineering, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Let's close this and open our app. See here, this is my project. I have created it in 2018 when I was in class 8 or 9. I was in class 9, so that time I was building for my school, building app for my school. So this is very old, and you can also see the UI also. I was also using thumb cable, but that is same to Kodular, and MIT App Inventor is also same with Kodular. And when I was using this website, that time the website name was Make Droid, and now it's renamed to Kodular. So this was the history, and let's create a new project, and let's name it daily exist. Let's name it daily to do. App name daily to do, and you can also set the SDK level. Minimum SDK level 5 is recommended. com dot daily dot to do's. Let me set it to this, and let's click on finish, and our project will be ready soon. And this is the website. So let me show you this first. Let's do one by one, and add a logo here. Click on save, and MIT Inventor is approximately the same as Kodular, so I will not show you. See, the UI is almost same. Let's close this, and if you want more alternatives, you will find an article in link in description, and that will be updated soon as I know about new websites, or if I will create a website, then I will update there. See the description. and here is our Android logo with the iOS logo, and we can also change the app icon. And here is the splash screen, we can change it to anything that we want. Let me make it to app icon. That's good. Background should be okay. All set. And here is the primary color settings, effect. I think we are all set. Save changes, and now it's time to download it. This websites have one more feature, that it gives you the source code directly, and if you want to see preview, just click here, and here you can download. Here you can download the sign in with upload key store, and here you can download the source code that will be in let me see in which language. And if you click here, then it will download app, install app, and here is our app. That looks good. And for publishing it, if you don't want to upload your app on Play Store, and it's working fine. And if you don't want to upload your app on Play Store, you can upload on APK Pure and Up to Down. These are two websites I use. developers.up2down, this website, and the APK Pure website. It's free. And here you can see I already इसको डिलीट करो. See, I already had published 2 apps here, and you can go and download these games. I published this in 2021 and now it's 2024. Export.dev. Also use React Native for building it, but React Native app size are so big, so I decided to use these things. And this uses Flutter, I think so. Let's see the source code here, and here is our source code and our Android 2 Gradle. You can run this in Android Studio, and this will be your very own copy of your app. You can modify it from Android Studio, and it's fully open source now. All the source codes are here, and you can just go to source, src, mean, Java, median, Android, and modify your files here. Main activity.java, you can modify this. The script is too long. I have to use an editor for modifying this, so for now I'm leaving that. And you can also build the binaries, that will be the APK file and AAB file. This video might get longer because I'm explaining everything and adding some bonus tips also, just like this up to down. And I also published 2 apps here, and for now I have to log out and log in using another account, and I will show you the users of Kodular also. See the Nodians, this is rejected, but this is not the account. Here is the account. No, I uploaded 2 apps here. This is not the account. I uploaded a browser in 2020 or something. At that time I created that in Thunkable. Oh, I remember that account is not here. Let me log in. Shocks for you SH. Let's log in. Browser. Browser up to sound. So here is my app, Shade Apps. Okay, in 2018, means I was in class 9th, and it got 890 downloads. And if I'll click here, I uploaded 3 apps here, but I think I lost the account after that. So these are the website. You can also try these apps, but I'm not promoting it. Let's close this. And now it's I use the AIA files in Thunkable. If you don't know about it, then ignore it. Okay, so our APK file is built. I can download it, and after downloading, you can share this to your Android using any website like vShare or Wormhole, and just upload it there and scan QR code and download it on mobile. Okay, or just close it, copy this link, copy link address, and go to any QR generator. If I want to share this link, I will just right click and click on create QR for this page. But for this link, because this is a downloadable link, just paste it here and scan this QR, and you will get the URL, get the app on your phone after downloading it. And you can also upload things here, I think so. Okay, let's close this, and this is our app and it's working fine. Now it's time to use Kodular. For this, you have to go to screens and disable the title visible for removing this, and show status bar, remove this, show option menu, remove everything, and just go to layout and then views, and drag and drop your web view here. Or you can also drag drop here and enable JavaScript, remove the zoom things, and enter your homepage URL. That will be daily, and this is a single page app. If your page is multiple page app, then you have to go to blocks and add a going back controller. For that, go to web view and I used it years ago. Go to URL, go forward, go back. Okay, so we have to use this, and you can select the web viewer, that which web viewer, and go to built-in, go to controls, and then we have to search for if back press. Then we have to go to screens, and screen when back press, then add this block there, and now our app is ready. Just and see the app size. If you will see the app size, it's too small, and in React Native we have the control, but the size is too big for apps just like 60 MB, 30 MB for just this app. And we can modify that also, but that's very long process, and we also got the source code here, so we can modify. And now it's not need of this website. So for normal web apps, for normal web to app we can use the website median or either Kodular. And Kodular have some project limits that you can set the project limits that much. You can only create certain number of projects, but this daily I don't know about this, but even you have to build one or two apps, you can build it, or you can use just like this is a direct URL of a game. And this is just a bonus tip for you. You can just copy this URL, and this is an HTML5 game, and where people can play game like this on online. Let's close this. And so you can also add this URL here. Let's create this app. Okay, so we pasted this, and it's time to go to blocks and all set. I think we all set. Any project setting, we can also go to setting, and let's remove splash screen. You can also upload your own responsive to publishing. All set, all set, all set. And you can also change the icon here. Let me upload the icon, upload asset and logo.png. Yes, and it's all set now. Let's close this. And screen type, we will change it to orientation to landscape. Okay, because we are publishing a game, that is this. And I will add the links of apps so you can download and play the game here. And let me change the name also. That will be archery master. Okay, archery master. And let's close this. And now we have to export the app, export the APK file, and it will take some time and create an APK build for you. And let's go to GitHub and daily to do's app. Here I published the source code that is created using React Native. You can use this if you know JavaScript. Without no code, you can do coding also for creating website. I use Expo, this thing. Let's close this. And here you have to go to releases, and you can download the apps now. Let me upload all the apps here. Let me upload the source code also. I will upload everything for you. This, and I think it's all set. Okay, just a Kodular app is remaining now. And so you can later you can go and test the apps there. For YouTube, as for YouTube testing, and let's create a new tab. YouTube, or I will write Kodular. Kodular plus medium for YouTube. And okay, is this supported? No. Now it's supported. Generate a release note, and here is our Kodular app also ready. You can also scan the QR code and get it there, and you can try these all apps. I will share the link with you. Be little patient here. The Kodular doesn't share the source code of your Android application, so don't think about that. This is daily to do app. Our project name, we can also change the project name from here, from this thing. See my cursor, yeah, to whatever you are building, just like Archie Master. And if I will publish release, and I can see this link, and you can also, if you're watching this tutorial on PC, just scan this from your phone and try and download this things, these games, and play whatever you want. So thanks for watching the video, and if you have learned something, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, bro, everyone.